It seems like from the moment you're born, people think they got you all figured out, based on how you look, how you talk, where you're from. But it's not that simple, especially when it comes to me. I'm a little bit more complex. I'm Ferdinand. You look at me and think big. You think scary. You think, well, at least he's not in a china shop. Oh no. Baby steps, baby steps. Easy does it. Sorry.
I was younger then. Take me back to when. And I've not seen the roaring fields in so long. I know I've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way. Ferdinand! Driving at 90 down. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill.
I'm not a fighting bull.
You don't need to be a fighting bull. You just have to look like a fighting bull.
You see that barrel over there? Smash it to pieces.
With my head?
What else are you gonna hit it with?
Ready.
I'm on my way. Driving at 90 down. Over the castle on the hill.
Come on, little guy. Come on. Sorry, I almost killed you. Ow.
Over